Another video, and this one will include my nighttime beauty routine. But if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribe, like, ring the bell, and leave all of your comments and suggestions below. But let's dive right into this video, starting with a few simple things to do to get your face prepared for that slumber of sleep that we all do. We're going to take this massive amount of hair, tie it back, and we don't need earrings anymore because we're going to be going to bed. And I get wacky smacky when I'm going to bed, so beauty routine, British accent as well. But I start off with any type of my makeup wipe. I got these at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. They're Bolero, and these are actually coconut and sea salt beauty wipes. And I thought that was a nice touch to getting my face fresh and clean if I can get one out the package. So I usually wipe down all the makeup from my face, not too much, get the stuff off my eyes, because the only thing I really put on in the daytime when I'm going to work is eye makeup. So there's some eyeliner, some mascara, eyeshadow, maybe a little bronzer that I get totally off, lip gloss, lip liner, all of that stuff has to come off. And I think well, I'm not going to say all makeup wipes are created equal, but some are a little bit better than others in getting makeup off. Some you got to take a little effort to actually get it off. So you can see all the makeup's coming off with the sea salt, and it's actually good for your face. The coconut and the sea salt mixed together. And I actually really scrub, because you really think the makeup is off most of the time, but 99% of the time there's some residue of some makeup left somewhere. I'm a heavy eyeliner user, so there's always some eyeliner that's stuck on. So I give it a deep clean and get it off. Now, if you look and see, I got a lot of this crap off. But most of the time, these makeup wipes are just for getting makeup off. I don't really use them on my face. And so what I do is I take this. I know you guys are probably like, what the heck is that? This is wintergreen antiseptic isopropyl alcohol, 50% alcohol. And I've found that this little trick gets the makeup off my face. I just take some of these cotton rounds, or you can use cotton balls, whichever you want to use. It's actually the makeup and dirt off of my face, and so I go in and I scrub it to get all the pollutants, as you can see, off my face. And it gets all the makeup off as well. But this is just a way to get my face clean. I don't use water at night because water dries your skin out. Alcohol does too, but water and soap really don't get your face clean. So you need a deep clean to get all the toxins from your work environment, outside, whatever, off of your face. And you see I got a bunch of crap off my face, but here's a trick. If you're not taking a shower at night and you're just, going to bed, I take another one of these, and this is where a lot of dirt accumulates. Your neck, chin, and when it's hot outside, you want to get the back of your neck. A lot of dirt settles there. And so you want to actually scrub that off. And I usually use a couple until I see clean. So about 3 cotton balls, cotton pads between my face and my neck that I use to get all of that dirt. And that's from your collar, from your clothes, your hair, rubbing against your neck. Get a little behind the ears and scrub that off to make sure my face is nice and clean. And then when I'm done, I bought this at Marshall's. It's called a microneedler. Now people go to salons and get this done. I only use this maybe once a week. And it has these little micro needles on it. And it probably costs like maybe $50 to $70 a treatment for this thing. Now once your face is nice and clean, you can see it has little needles on it. These are actually needles. And so you can just take this and rub it across your face. A couple little light strokes, because you can feel the needles in here. Believe me, you will feel it. And what it does, it produces collagen at night while you're sleeping. And collagen gets rid of wrinkles, produces more cells, and gives you a more youthful look to your face. Now, when you're done, you will definitely feel like somebody putting needles on your face. And you'll have to wash that off in alcohol just to make sure it's nice and clean. But basically, that's all I do. When I get done brushing my teeth, and put a little bit of Vaseline on my lips. And I'll take the vitamin C cream, Beauty Spa, and just a dab. And I pat it on because those micro needles will open up your pores. So I just want to dab a little bit on so it absorbs into my skin. And this will help with any dark markings, tans, you name it. And it actually has a dual product that actually goes with it. It goes up under my eyes that I put on at night. I'll show you guys. Hold on. And I actually use this in my morning routine as well. And it actually tightens up around your eyes. I'll just take the lid off. I don't have time to be squirting it through the pump that it comes in. And this goes up under my eyes and on my eyelids. Just tighten them up from all that pulling that you do with makeup brushes and putting eyeshadow and stuff on. And tightened up. And there's one more trick that I actually do, because people don't take care of their earlobes. And you have earrings on, I always put a little bit of Vaseline on my earlobes just to give them some moisture. Nothing major, just a little bit. And that's basically it, ladies. Not a lot that you do, but that wintergreen alcohol, it's just something I've been doing for about a year, and it really actually smooths, if I can talk, smooths your skin out. It doesn't dry it out, and you're thinking it's alcohol, gotta dry your skin out. It really doesn't. It doesn't dry your skin out, especially if you have a semi-oily skin, not too much, but the T-zone and your chin. It really pretty much gives you a nice little glow to your skin and cleans the dirt right out of those pores. So that's just a trick that I use. You can try it, see if you like it. It beats, it's cheap. It's like $1. You can get a whole bottle for $1. And I rather use that than to use any other product with all the other chemicals in it. So that's just one thing that I use that you guys can try. But if you're looking for any more beauty tips and fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, please stay tuned to my channel. And like I said, if you have not yet subscribed, ring that bell so you can get all the latest video uploads on my channel. And I will see you guys in the